Hello, Charlie. On this day, December 9th of 2012, Charlie Brown is how old? Say 6 months. 6 months. Hi, Charlie Brown. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Say I love you, Papa.
I love you, Papa.
And Danny.
Danny.
And Titi.
Titi.
And Mama.
Mama.
Give Charlie a kiss. Charlie Brown.
Ma.
Say happy 6 months, Charlie Brown.
I love Mama.
No. Happy 6 months, Charlie Brown.
What, Daddy?
No. Tell Charlie happy 6 months.
Mama.
Okay. That's it. That's all you're getting, Charlie. Say next time.
My time.
See you later.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you.
Everybody.
Buddy.
Okay. Mwah.
Ma.